Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kimberly Quinn, and my mission here is simple: to educate you about the most exciting tools in the world of AI. Today, I'm going to show you something absolutely mind-blowing: how artificial intelligence can create fully playable 3D games from just a text prompt. Yes, you type the words and AI builds the world for you. Sounds like magic, right? Well, let's dive in together. So let's start with the tool. There are several platforms that now allow you to generate games from text. For today's demo, I'll be using because it's beginner friendly and super fast. Once you sign up, we have the prompt box, where we type our game idea. We'll see preview assets or even the whole game world generating in real time. And now let's hit generate. Look at that! In just a few seconds, the AI has built the environment, placed objects, and even added basic physics. But here's the best part: we can customize it. The AI instantly rebuilds the level based on your request. No coding needed. I'm moving the robot using the arrow keys. Look, the crystals sparkle when collected. Export your games for others to play. Some platforms even allow multiplayer experiences. So yes, with just text, you're already creating real 3D interactive worlds. And that's it. In just a few steps, we built a 3D game from nothing but words. Imagine the possibilities. You can design your own worlds, test creative ideas, or even build prototypes for a full game studio, all without writing a single line of code. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with what kind of AI game you'd like me to generate next. Maybe I'll pick your idea for the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. I'm Kimberly Quinn, and I'll see you in the next video.